Snickers ice cream dome cake. If you watch my peanut butter snicker brownie video, I mentioned that I'll be using my brownie as a base for this ice cream cake. To shape your dome cake, you will be needing a bowl. This is a medium-sized bowl. Your cake will depend on the size of the bowl. Cover the inside of the bowl with a cling wrap. For your cling wrap, allow an extra length of about 20 centimeters to give room as cover for the cake and handle when you unmold the cake later on. When you're done covering the bowl, set it aside. Meanwhile, you need to make thin slices of your Snickers chocolate bars. I used 5 Snicker bars in this recipe. When you're done slicing the chocolates, take the bowl. We are now ready to assemble the dome. This will be the outer layer of our dome cake. Arrange the thin slices of Snickers chocolates and try not to leave any gap. Press the Snickers chocolates so that they flatten, and the caramel and chocolate from the Snickers help seal the gap. When you almost reach the top, press the Snickers downward to help align the base of your cake. These chocolate shavings are helpful sealants, especially on really small gaps. It's also really great to maximize your ingredients and not wasting anything. So our Snicker dome layer is done. Cover it with a cling wrap and pop this in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to harden the chocolate. I am making this ice cream cake for my son's 14th birthday celebration, so this is a very special cake video. And because of that, I will be using 4 different ice cream flavors that he likes. It is important to thaw or soften your ice cream before using them. It is quite difficult to work with frozen ice cream. For my first layer, I'll be using vanilla flavor. Scoop out some of the ice cream into the bowl. Once you're done with the first layer, cover the bowl with a plate. And this time, keep it in the freezer for about an hour so that your ice cream hardens. After an hour, I'm moving on with the second layer. This time, it will be a chocolate flavor. Spread and then flatten. Same as your first layer on the vanilla flavor, cover the bowl with a plate and put it back in the freezer for an hour. Third layer will be the crème brûlée. If you plan to make an ice cream cake for a special celebration, it is best to make it a day before. Third layer done, and another hour back in the fridge. And finally, our fourth layer of ice cream, tiramisu. My kids like the idea of an ice cream cake for special celebrations. I made this particular cake twice last year during our quarantine birthday celebrations just in our humble home. You can also make this cake for any special occasions you have in your family, because remember, happiness can be homemade. You can always change the flavor of your ice cream based on your preference. And we're almost done, and back into the freezer for the final hour. And now we will be kneading the brownies. This will serve as the base of our cake. Spread the brownies on top and flatten it. You may also want to just simply cut out a circle on your brownie so that it will be faster. As you can see, my brownies here were sliced into squares because these brownies were the portions from my Peanut Butter Snicker Brownie video. You may check the link in the description box below. You may use a measuring cup, a glass, or anything that can help you press the brownie to make it more compact. And so we're done assembling our ice cream dome cake. Now let's put this back in the freezer and keep it for at least 3 hours. And if you have a lot of spare time, the best would be overnight. Pour hot water into the bowl. Dip the bowl into the hot water for 30 seconds. The hot water will melt the chocolate and will help loosen the cake from the mold. Shake and jiggle the cake using the cling wrap handle. Dip the bowl into the water again if it still doesn't come loose. After 2 to 3 dippings, the cake is finally out of its mold. Using a plate, turn the cake upside down. And then remove the cling wrap. Clean the sides of the plate using a kitchen paper. To add some colors, I'm decorating the cake with some M&Ms. And here is the Snickers ice cream dome cake. Try making this ice cream cake for any family celebrations. Your children will surely love it. I hope you enjoyed our video today and thank you for joining me. Until next time, bye!